If you're like me who's obsessed with the QQ texture, you'll definitely like this matcha mochi cake. This mochi cake is chewy, bouncy, and not too sweet. It is super addicting and so easy to make. First, take a large bowl, mix 1 can of coconut milk, 1.5 cup of regular whole milk, 1 stick of melted butter, 3 eggs, a whole box of mochiko flour or any brand of glutinous rice flour, 1 cup of sugar, baking powder, salt, and matcha powder. Whisk everything together until you don't see any lumps. Pour the batter into a baking pan lined with parchment paper. Bake it in an oven for about 50 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Let it cool completely, sprinkle some matcha powder on top, now take a bite and enjoy.